So I finally picked up this camcorder. It's a SONY DCR, mini DV DCR HC52E. And I've been trying to get my hands around it and test it out. It's an old thing and I got it online from a seller that is from another island because I live here in Bali. He said everything is good, everything's working. It wasn't. So I managed to get my hands on a few clips. I can record some stuff, but there are so many things that is just not working. Also, I'll make another separate video about the accessory that you essentially need for this thing to work. But yeah, this is my test drive first. Anyway, so I just wanna let you know that I tried this thing, got a few okay clips that I can stitch on it and then throw it out as like one episode. So yeah, here we go. This is just where I live. Some trees with a little bit of garden. And my dog's always there. Acting silly like always. And my working desk with the fan on. Yep, I'm using fan. And the mirror. It makes the room look bigger, but it's not. Nothing crazy happens here, but I guess I like that.